Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Intuit Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Intuit Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in iop.intuit.com and make a search. The official page of Intuit's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right side of the page. On the next page, enter your user ID and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. On the next page, type in your password associated with your Intuit Payroll's account and tap on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Intuit Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.